Hey there my friend, what is happening? Vitaly Dubin is here and I'm super excited to welcome you to Forsage BUSD system. This is a place where you can learn how you can earn crypto dollars daily and achieve your wildest goals and dreams. This is where you can discover right now how this 100% decentralized matrix system that already helped over 1 million people across the world to generate, listen closely, over $2 billion with this simple, genius, and very effective and lucrative business model, and how you can get started from anywhere in the world and earn crypto dollars with BUSD, which is the Binance USD stablecoin equal to $1. How you can earn those BUSD every single day with this brand new Binance Smart Chain matrix marketing system that just launched on May 31st, 2021. This is brand new. This is right now June the 2nd. So this is 2 days, literally less than 2 days after we launched, and I'm already generated over $168,000 with the system. Here you can see 96,510 BUSD dollars, and this is $72,000 in BUSD. And here I can show you, this is one of the wallets right here. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it right here and show you how this is generated every single day, like this, like clockwork. Here I'm going to BAP 20 tokens. You can see $10 just came in 36 minutes ago, $5 38 minutes ago, $1,250 45 minutes ago, $20, $10, 5, 10. This is directly and transparently verifiable on the Binance Smart Chain. Here is 5, 80, 160, 5, 80, 10, 5, 5, 5, 80, 5, 5, 5, etc. And you can scroll down. This is just the first transactions. Here is another one of my wallets right here. I'm going to copy it and show it to you. The proof that this system is working, and you can use it to generate those BUSD tokens. This is 10 minutes ago, $20, 17 minutes ago, $40, 29 minutes ago, $20, 2 hours, 54 minutes ago, 160, 10, 5, 320, 45, 80, 555, 320, 20, 10, 10, etc., etc. Just going like this directly and instantly to the wallet. I want to show you that this system is proven to work. It already helped so many people, hundreds of thousands of people, to change their life. I know so many people that have used this system on my team that have generated tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands and some even millions of dollars. It literally helped me generate millions and millions of dollars with this very simple and lucrative system. Here I want to show you, they have launched this exact same business model back in January 2020 on the Ethereum blockchain, and this account, you can see, generated about $6 million. This account generated about $10 million. So you can see those are not numbers that are totally unreal. I mean, this is unfreaking believable. This is crazy, and the market has been absolutely crazy in the last year, but this just shows you the power and the potential. I know how to build a system. You can see right here, I've had around 540,000 partners inside this network that have used this type of a platform. You can see 539,662 people, and if you go here and see over 1 million participants around the world and $1.9 billion was this platform. And then we have the Tron platform that also have generated $131 million. Overall, it's over $2 billion with those simple matrices. They're called Forsage X3, Forsage X4, Forsage X Gold, Forsage X3, Forsage X4, and Forsage X Gold. And right now, this is brand new. We just launched on May 31st. You can see on the Binance Smart Chain. This is submitted 31st of May 2021, and we are right now, okay, date now, you can see we are on the 2nd of June. So this is literally 2 days after the launch, and it already generated me $168,000. This just shows you how powerful and lucrative this business model is. And we're going to dive in a second exactly. I'll show you exactly how it works, why so many people love this and join from around the world every single moment. If you scroll down and see right here from the actual contract address, you can see the transactions that are happening every single second. You see 6 seconds ago, 15 seconds ago, 20 seconds ago, right? Every single minute people are joining this movement, this project all around the world. And I'm here in Dubai right now. You can see this is the Burj Khalifa Tower, the tallest building in the world, right behind me right there. And with me in Dubai right now, the founders and creators of this project. You can see Lado is here, and Lola and the other team. I've met all of these guys, the geniuses, the people that are behind this project that created this. And this is totally 100% decentralized system. So I've already shown you guys real proof and real results that this works, and this is in my wallet and I can use it. It's not in some kind of a system. Here is $125,000. Here is $97,000. You can see that essentially, maybe you don't see it on the screen, but yeah, this is right there in the wallet. Here, I'll show you in a second. This in this address, you can see $97,143, and here is $125,724. So this is all in the wallet. Already I can use that. This system works. We have already so many people around the world that are earning their first thousands of dollars, 5,000, 10,000, even $35,000. A guy in India on my team already earned. So this system works. It's simple, and let me show you exactly how you can use this and leverage it right now, this matrix system and Forsage BUSD system, to help you achieve your goals and dreams. Whether you want to buy a new house or a penthouse or a villa, or you want to buy a car, you want to relocate, you want to earn $10,000 a month, you want to achieve a certain goal, a certain lifestyle, a certain dream, you can have it with this system if you follow the instructions on this page and in our system. So let me share with you what I love about this, right? What I love about this and why I chose to partner with this system. I've been in the crypto space for over 4 years now. I've seen hundreds and hundreds of different projects, many different projects in the space. Some are very good ones. A lot of the projects are centralized. This is a key difference between centralized and decentralized project. A centralized project, they take the money of the members and they may invest it, they may trade with it, mine with it, do whatever with the funds of the members, and then the members need to request a withdrawal for the profits, for their earnings from the centralized entity that controls the funds. And if everything is good, people are getting their withdrawals. If something happens, if the government comes in, if they may make very bad decisions, the management, if they mismanage the funds, if they lose the money, then the funds are gone of the members. I've seen it happen over and over and over again. projects scamming or not doing what they're supposed to do, or something bad happened, even with the best intentions in the world, something happened and was derailed. So this is the first time that I've seen a truly 100% community-driven, decentralized project where all of the income goes to the members of the project. This is incredible. All of the income goes to the members of the project. The project creators, they never keep any of the people's cryptos, right? It's all going to the members of the project. Every single dollar that participants, that members of this projects, whatever they're purchasing, they're buying inside the system, it all goes to the members of the project. All 100% of it. Not 20, not 50%, all 100%. That's absolutely amazing. And the project creators, they never take or keep any of the people's cryptos. They are just like us, participants in the project, just have the extra role of managing and maintain the site, making it better, etc. But you know, it can run without them, as it is right now. There's a small starting capital. You can get started here with as little as $20 in the system. As little as $20. Right now, even as little as $10 you can get started. $10. Everyone, no matter where you live, in Africa, in Malaysia, in the Philippines, in Thailand, it doesn't matter where you live. $10 you can find and you can get started in this project, and you can grow from here. I know somebody personally on my team that started with $50 that he borrowed, and he put in Forsage. He went to work, he followed the instructions, he took a lot of action, and his team started to grow. And little by little, after just about several months, 3-4 months into this, he turned that $50 into over $300,000. Yes, you heard me right. $300,000 from $50. And I'm not saying or guaranteeing or implying that every single person that starts here with $50 will be able to turn that into $300,000. Far from it, right? Nothing is guaranteed in this life. But if you are going to do what he did, and you can, it is possible. That's what I'm saying. It is possible, and that's what you need to understand, right? Everybody can get started little and grow big. There are 48 income generating slots. The project is decentralized, written on the smart contract. So you can see right here, this is the Binance Smart Chain smart contract. This is the address of the smart contract. This is the code of the smart contract. And that's the beauty of it. The moment that you deploy the code, it cannot be changed. It cannot be modified. Not by the founders, not by the owners, not by the coders. Nobody can touch it. Here, and the fountains agree with me. You see right now, there is some crazy fountains going on right now. Look at this beauty behind me with the music. So the code, once it's deployed, it's never can be changed and touched. It's on the blockchain. That's why we love the blockchain. It's immutable, it's unchangeable, it's going to continue working exactly the way that it was designed to work. Very important to understand. Okay, and there are no admins needed to run the project and pay people out. All the people, the members, that are getting paid exactly what they need to get paid, right? Instant payout directly to your Binance Smart Chain wallet, that you control the private key. There is no need to wait for a withdrawal. Everything happens instantaneously into your Binance Smart Chain wallet, right? There's unlimited income potential here. You can get started here. You know, listen, my story here, I started here with just $3,000 initially that I put into the system, and I went to work here with those same matrices, X3 and X4, that you have access now. And I've been able to turn that into millions of dollars eventually. Now, it doesn't mean that every person will be able to do that, okay? But that just shows you what's possible. That's what I want to inspire you guys, that everything is possible with the system if you do the work, if you follow the guidelines, if you take massive action. Everything is transparent. All the transactions are verifiable. on the blockchain. Everything on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain is verifiable. It's a simple project, and it's a lucrative project. No need to worry about hackers or the project scamming. How beautiful it is to know that the project cannot scam. It cannot run away with the funds, because you know, hackers are already only interested in centralized project where the funds are in one place, okay? And when the funds never in one place, they're all scattered among thousands and thousands of wallets, there is nothing to hack. You don't need to worry about hackers. You don't need to worry about project scamming, because the money is not in one centralized place. That's why we love this project. It's not in a centralized place. It's all decentralized. It's all kept into thousands and thousands of the wallets of the members around the world. You can earn extra even without referring anyone by spillover. We'll talk about that as well. So those are the things that are really attracted me in the first place to the system. And now let me walk you through Binance Smart Chain, Forsage BUSD. How does it work? How you can earn money here, and how you can get started. All right. So first, Forsage launched on the Ethereum network. What happened is during July, August 2020, the fees started to skyrocket on the Ethereum blockchain because of decentralized finance coming in and Ethereum growing in popularity. The fees on the Ethereum blockchain have skyrocketed. All right, got too high. Then they launched on the Tron network, and on the Tron network it's hard to make a transaction because of bugs in that blockchain, as well as the transactions fees have also gone up. Okay, this is why they launch on the Binance Smart Chain with BUSD token in the core of the marketing. And they're going to continue support Ethereum and Tron blockchains. They're just launching as well on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, Binance is the most popular exchange today in the world, and BUSD token and Binance Smart Chain is very fast. It's very cheap to use. It's very good coding, and it's rivaling Ethereum, right? What are the advantages of launching on BUSD? Well, it's fixed value. It doesn't fluctuate with the market, and the market going up and down. Okay, it's simple to calculate, accuracy planning. So they launched it on the Binance Smart Chain. Now let's talk about Forsage marketing. How does it work? We are talking about decentralized marketing system. It's an automated contract. Offers you maximum security and sustainability. All right, it automatically executes on the algorithm. It exists on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Smart contract is decentralized. They were strictly according to the underlying program without the possibility of changing the execution, what we already talked about. Now let's talk about X3 and X4. Those matrices, right? We have in X3 program, okay, 3 places and 1 line that you can put in this matrix. And in X4 you have 2 lines and 6 places, 2 plus 4 that you can put people in. All right, it is permanent referral bonding, no expiration date of the slot, and unlimited automatic recycle. So you can essentially earn over and over and over and over again, and cycle again and again and again after purchasing the slot 1 time. So this is how it looks like. We have Forsage X3 and Forsage X4, which is what is launched right now. And after a couple of weeks, we'll launch Forsage XXX, 3 lines and 14 places. And then you have Forsage X Gold. We have 4 lines and 30 places, right? So we have 2 more powerful matrices launching very, very soon, in a couple of weeks time from now. Now you can see Forsage X3, you start $5 here, you take 1 slot in Forsage X3 and 1 slot in Forsage X4, $5, right? And then you have 3 places under each of the slots in Forsage X3. Now, any one of these slots essentially gets you paid 100%. 100%. So when you get started, you start with $10, $5 go to X3 and $5 go to X4. Now, in X3, under each one of the slots, you have 3 places. So place number 1 and 2 that falls in your matrix, you get paid 100% income on that slot. So if it's a $5, you get paid $5 and $5. And then the third one recycles you and taking a spot in your uplines matrix and open up a new matrix for you. So essentially every time that you cycle, you double your money. Every time that you cycle with X3, you double your money. And you can cycle 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, unlimited amount of times, right? And every slot, if it's $10, you cycle, you double it to $20, $20, $20. If it's a $160 slot, you double it to $360, $360, $360, right? And people that are joining this platform using your referral link, okay, that you will have once you're a member of the system, they'll be directly and always be tied to you. So whenever they activate their slot, they're going to be fall under your active slot and generating you income over and over. They're going to cycle and they'll keep cycling inside your matrix. So that's very genius, right? They keep cycling, building their Forsage BUSD system and business, right? They keep cycling into your slot unlimited amount of times. So for example, here you can see that on this particular matrix, okay, I already cycled 32 times on the $5 and 11 times on the $10 and 7 times on the $20. Just keep cycling and cycling and cycling, right? Next is X4. X4 has 2 lines and 2 places on first line and 4 places on second line. So the first 2 places, no matter how they got into your matrix, whether you sign somebody up or it's a spillover, okay, somebody else signed up and they ended up being in your matrix under your slot. No matter how it goes here, the first 2 places goes up, okay, goes to either your upline or somebody else that you are part of his matrix, okay, in this cycle, and he gets paid that 100%. And then on spot number 3, 4, and 5, you get paid 100%. No matter how they got in there. It can be by you signing somebody out. It can be a spillover of your upline, your downline, your sideline. Doesn't really matter. They end up being and taking your spot in the matrix. You get paid. So essentially, every time that you cycle on X4, you are tripling your money. You're tripling your money, okay? So if it's a $10, you cycle 10, 10, 10, right? And essentially, you get paid $30. $30. You're tripling your money every time that you cycle. And you can cycle unlimited amount of times. Then we have the X66. This X66 has not launched yet. You can see that it's going to be coming soon. Okay, it has not launched just yet, but once it launched, it's going to be a very powerful matrix with 3 lines, okay, and you have here the possibility a total yield of 580%. It's almost 6x your money. So if in X4 it's 3x your money every time you cycle, here is 6x your money, and you can get spillovers. You can get up to 2 levels of your uplines, right? Essentially, if this is you right here, so you have this guy and this guy can give you spillovers, and from this place you get 30%. Whenever somebody falls here, you get 30%, and whenever somebody falls here, you get 70%. All right, so that's the X66 matrix that are coming up, and then we have the X Gold. X Gold is when you 10x your money. Every time that you cycle, you 10x your money, right? Because this is how it gets filled. Doesn't matter how it gets filled, whether you bring somebody up or up to 3 level of uplines are helping you with building up your matrix. Whenever somebody is falling here in those 4 places, you get 20%. Here we get 30% on the 3rd level, and here we get 50% on the 4th level. So overall, you get here from all these places, and the last 2 used to recycle, you get 1,120% yield minus the 100%. That's about 1,020% yield, which is essentially 10x your money. Every time you cycle is 10x your money. All right, so now you have all these powerful smart contracts that are working. And the cool part about this is whenever you start with 5 or 7, let's say you start with 7 slots, and after you cycle one time, there's going to be a sign appear. If you don't have the 8th slot, you must upgrade to the next slot. If you don't upgrade to the next slot, then you will stop receiving payments from the 7th slot because you cycle already one time, and you'll start to giving out profits to other people that and you're going to start missing out on profits. So that's why the upgrade is built upon this smart contract system that incentivizes people to not miss profits. Then you have a spillovers that essentially people can come in and be part of your matrix, okay, already by spillover. And that definitely is happening. I know people are doubling or even tripling their money just by spillover. It's not guaranteed though. It's not guaranteed that you're going to get a spillover. It really depends on your team and how you fall in there. But this is cool that you can get a spillover. Now, here real quick, you can see the total cost of all the slots in X3 is $19,925. And one cycle income net profit is $40,000. So here you're doubling your money, here you're tripling your money, here you 6x your money, and here you are 10x your money. So overall, if you get all of these 4 matrices when they're available, XXX and X Gold, it's $87,000, and just with one cycle you earn close to $500,000. Really cool the way that it works, and you can cycle unlimited amount of times. All right, unlimited amount of time. So this is how in a nutshell those X4 and X3 matrices work, and how XXX and X Gold work. Now here, being inside this system, once you are logged in, okay, we log out here, I'm going to automatically log in right here, boom. Here you can see, guys, that there is information available here. There is community, so you can take advantage of the knowledge of the community, okay, in different languages. You can choose the language here, okay, English, Espanol, Russian, and you can choose the power of community, why Forsage is launching the 3rd blog. You can read about this. Here you have Academy, okay, you have some videos, you have some training for Forsage Academy courses that you can take and learn how to build a team and stuff like that. Here you have the news that you can check out, okay, what are the news that are happening in the Telegram channel. You have webinars that are coming up, instructions, you have promo tools, instructions how the matrix work. You have promo tools that you can use, which is really cool. So you have so many different things that you can have in this office. Then you have this partners. You can see how many partners are in your structure. I don't know why it logs me out. 1 second. You can see right here number of registrations, registrations per week, registration in the last 24 hours. I already have 5,532 partners in the structure, and it is going bigger and bigger and bigger, right? So this is where you can see statistics of exactly what's happening inside your Forsage business, who is getting the slots. Everything is really transparent. You can see all of your partners, you can see their IDs, you can see the income they have already generated. You can see all of these stats right here. So you can see the statistics. Here is the user, this user upgraded $10 level 2, the program. This user reinvested 160 BUSD, 640. I mean, you can see all of these things that are happening inside of your back office, which is really cool. You can set up a goal, you can set up a goal that you want to achieve with Forsage, and Forsage BUSD is going to help you achieve this goal. So you can put here a target name, whether you want to buy a car, a house, let's say a penthouse, and the cost of the penthouse $5 million, and you put a description and the requirement amount, okay, and you put a date of completion. I think it cannot be over $1 million. So like this, date of completion, let's say October 2nd, okay, and yes, create a goal, and then you can see it, and you can see over here, you know, what is the execution progress of this goal. So you can see all of those things. There is a video training that is available that you can check of how to use the back office and start like that, set new goals. There is an affiliate link that you can use. You can invite to Forsage. There are Telegram tools, notifier bot to show you all of the income that is happening. BSC Explorer bot, monitoring multiple BUSD and BNB addresses. All right, so all of those things. You have the calculator that you can use to calculate, you know, let's say in X3 it's 19,925, and the result in one cycle is 60,000. In 3 cycle is 179,000 gross, right? So you can use all of this. We have the community academy, links to Forsage Ethereum and Tron, news instructions. This is how it all works inside Forsage. Now, when you get started, there is a simple video that you can watch right here, how to get started, how to activate the slots, just a couple minutes long. Just make sure that you're watching this, and there is a link available for you right here. Go ahead and click on this link that is appearing below this video, and get started in Forsage BUSD. You can choose one of the wallets below. The #1 recommendation is MetaMask on desktop, okay, and you set it up as a smart chain. If you don't know how to do it, just simply click on this, and it's going to show you the instruction of exactly where to go and how to do it, how to get started on MetaMask, how to configure it to be a Binance Smart Chain, right? All of those configurations, and use a BUSD token. And if you don't know how to get BNB or BUSD, you essentially can click here on those articles, and you will see exactly how to use it, how to buy and exchange BUSD and BNB, okay? And after you're done with that and you have your BNB for the fees, you need to have at least $30 for the fees, something like that, and you have BUSD in your wallet, you can create your done-for-you funnel system. So you click on this link, and you'll be able to save your promotion URL, your Telegram, Vimeo, YouTube, Facebook, Skype, WhatsApp, all of these details. You'll be able to fill and use this system as it is to promote Forsage BUSD. All right, so that's how simple it is to get started. You have all the resources and tools available for you. You have training on our team side for more training and support. So we are here to support you. We're here to help you with your Forsage BUSD business. So let's rock. Let's get started. I hope that you understand exactly how the work all works, all of the benefits, and why it's so amazing, why so many people are joining every single minute this project. You can definitely see it right here on the address. You can see, you know, let me just refresh this real quick, and you'll see that people are joining every single moment. Oh, here's the contract address. 1 second, BAP 20. You can see 6 seconds ago somebody joined, like all the time, 11 seconds, 20 seconds. People are joining like crazy, and I see this can grow to 1 million of members plus, and we have no problems with the fees, no problems with it. It's super cheap, super fast on the Binance Smart Chain. It's already proven business model, it's proven team, and proven track record, and it works. So I wish you good luck, and let's rock this. Go ahead and click on the link below this video. Start using Forsage BUSD, start using Forsage BUSD system, and I will see you on the inside.